Assalamualaikum guys. Hi, I'm Anisa Rusli from International Class Program of Biology Education, Mathematics and Science Faculty, Makassar State University. In this video, I will explain about my journal. This is my task from my lecturer. So, let's start. Okay, first, I will mention my title journal, that is the effectiveness of magic box media development on biodiversity material. This is the abstract of journal. Learning biology is not only limited to reading material, but remembering and understanding the content of the reading, so that understanding of facts, concepts, biological principles, and scientific process abilities of students can be developed. Understanding the concepts needed is an understanding that is meaningfully interconnected, not memorizing. The use of magic box learning media is one example that can spur students' skills in understanding biology material, such as biodiversity. This media is packaged as attractive as possible so that students are motivated to remember and understanding the material shown. In accordance with the understanding of learning media, namely the tools used by a teacher when interacting with students during learning. This research was conducted with the aim of determining the effectiveness of magic box media on biodiversity material for class 10 high school students. Introduction. In essence, education is a process of mastering the quality of life. Through this process, humans are expected to understand the meaning, essence, purpose of life, and carry out the duties of life and live properly. Skinner said that learning is a behavior. When people learn, the response gets better and vice versa. If they don't learn, the response decreases. While Gagne says learning is a complex activity. After learning, people have skills, knowledge, attitudes, and values. The media used in the learning process can help students to more easily understand the material being taught and help teachers to make it easier to explain the material. Educational media has several types that can be used in a learning process, including graphic media, three-dimensional media, projection mode, and surrounding environment. Basic competence in this media are 3.2 Analyzing various levels of biodiversity in Indonesia and their threats and conservation. In this media, material and image related to this basic competence will be displayed. 4.2 Presenting the results of observations of various levels of biodiversity in Indonesia and proposals for their conservation efforts. Method. In this study, the method used was ADDIE. This model, as the name implies, consists of 5 main phases, namely A. Analysis, D. Design, D. Development, I. Implementation, and E. Evaluation. The 5 phases or stage in the AD model are carried out systemically. Observation, results, and discussion. In the analysis stage, the researcher developed the magic box media based on the AD procedure. The product in this research is a magic box media word that is used to support biodiversity material in the 10th class of high school biology subjects. At the design stage, the researcher has set the goal of developing the magic box media, which is to determine the effectiveness of magic box learning media on biodiversity material. She has also made a design for the learning media that will be used. Even the learning media has been made. The next stage is development. The media that has been made relevant for the purpose of learning on biodiversity material. The magic box also has an attractive appearance so that students will be interested and have a better understanding of biodiversity material. Implementation phase. The validity of the magic box media development is obtained from the calculation of the validation of media experts and learning material experts by two validators. But at this stage, this research was terminated because no validation sheet was given back to the researcher. So, the research has only reached this stage and has not been continued until now. In the evaluation stage, this stage is not carried out because the previous stage has not been carried out. However, in several studies, it has been suggested that the magic box media meets the criteria of being valid, practical, and effective. Conclusion. Based on the quotes above, it can be concluded that the development of learning media must go through several stages so that it can be used as a medium in learning. Okay, that's the end